ActiveWow 24K White.
We got a new product from ActiveWow. It is activated coconut teeth whitening charcoal powder.
Hi, my name is Glenn. I've been using these ActiveWow products for a little while. I'm about to try out this new toothpaste that we just got in the mail today. First of all, this video is sponsored by ActiveWow. I've tried this charcoal powder. I love this stuff. It gives you this nice black smile for a little while. And it's really good at knocking out them stains fast. And it's definitely an experience. So I do recommend this. Now, this right here, the 24K White Fast AF Whitening. We all know what AF means. This one's pretty good. I feel like this gets down where this one would be more surface stains. I feel like this one is more internal stains because you got the UV light and the gel that you put on the little mouth guards. So I think every product has its merits. I definitely try the whole team to get the full whitening power. And we have a little coupon code right here. If you want to try any of these products and get 20% off, just go ahead and use our code on the website and we'll get you started on that. So right now, I'm about to try this new toothpaste that came in. And we're going to see how this one works. Because I love these two products. So I'm almost positive I'm going to love this. Let's see what's going on. Time to unbox the product. Let's see what we have in here. Looks like regular old toothpaste, baking soda and mint, and fluoride free. Directions say you use at least a 1-inch strip on your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, brush twice a day for best results, and share your new smile with everybody. So, let's find out how this stuff works out. There's a seal on it. Just so you know it hasn't been tampered with. Which is, I like it. That's cool. There we go. Got that all off. I can smell the mint. This toothpaste actually smells really good. Ready?
It does smell really good. I can smell it from here.
It smells really good. I like it. Let's go. So it was my first usage of the ActiveWow toothpaste, and I gotta say, tastes great, smells awesome, and my mouth feels extra clean right now. So I really love this toothpaste. If you want to go ahead and try it out for 20% off, go ahead and use this coupon code right here and get your white smile for cheaper. Do yourself a favor and find your smile with ActiveWow today.